So for this episode of Cooking with Kid Joy, we'll be making homemade ice cream. Let's get started. So we freeze our mixing bowl and our whip for 15 minutes. Now we pour our heavy cream. Whip until it is soft heat. Now we're going to separate the ice cream.
Right now it's just whipped topping. There's chocolate.
Oh, that's a lot of ice cream.
Here's vanilla.
Look at these separate different bowls, guys. Do you think this is the different or the same?
Well, look at it.
Now we add chocolate into this kind of bowl. And then we're gonna add strawberry to this bowl.
So this is just some strawberry quick and whipped topping. So I just added some red food coloring to make it a little more pink. This is strawberry ice cream.
See?
See?
Wow, that looks great. So now we do the chocolate. So now we put the chocolate in the freezer. So we put our vanilla, strawberry, and chocolate in the freezer for 4 to 6 hours. Stay tuned. We'll be right back. So we can let the ice cream freeze all night. Now we're gonna scoop it. So here's our homemade ice cream. Now I'm gonna put some toppings on it. You can put sprinkles or whatever kind of topping you want to put it on. It doesn't even matter for me. Oh boy, they're falling everywhere. So I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, leave a comment below and subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye!